Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Niga Higa here. Today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of the Korean alphabet, also known as Hangul. Trust me, it's going to be a fun ride. Now, before you click away faster than you can say Gangnam Style, trust me, this isn't as scary as it sounds. In fact, it's pretty fascinating. Think of it this way. Learning a new alphabet is like unlocking a secret code. It's like being a detective in your own linguistic adventure. Once you crack the code, you unlock a whole new world of K-pop, K-dramas, and maybe even some delicious Korean BBQ. Imagine understanding the lyrics of your favorite songs or the dialogues in your favorite dramas. But first, a little history lesson. Don't worry, it's painless, I promise. It's actually pretty cool to know where it all started. Hangul was created way back in the 15th century by a super smart king named Sejong the Great. This guy was a visionary. Apparently, the old writing system was about as fun as watching paint dry. Can you imagine trying to learn something that boring? So, King Sejong decided to create a new, easier system for everyone to learn. What a legend. He made it so that even commoners could easily learn to read and write. That's pretty revolutionary, right? Alright, let's get down to business. Hangul has 14 basic consonants, but don't freak out, we'll take it slow. First up, we have G, which sounds like a K or G sound. Think of it like the G in Gangnam Style, but without the Angnam part. Next, we have N, which sounds like N. Imagine you're saying no to a second helping of kimchi fried rice, but why would you ever do that? Moving on to D, which is like a soft D sound, as in donut. Because who doesn't love a good donut, right? Now that we've made some new consonant friends, it's time to meet the vowels. Don't worry, they're much less intimidating than those scary vowel sounds in English. We'll start with A, which sounds like the A in father. Think of it like yelling ah after acing that Korean test. Next up is EO, which is a bit trickier. It's similar to the U in cut, but shorter. Imagine saying uh-oh when you realize you accidentally ate the last piece of kimchi. Last but not least, we have O, which sounds like the O in go. Picture yourself shouting "Oh!" in excitement as you finally understand how to read Hangul. Section 4. Consonant plus vowel equals BFFs. Let's make syllables. This is where the magic happens, and we start forming actual words from the building blocks we've learned. Now for the fun part, combining consonants and vowels to make actual words. It's like a puzzle where each piece fits perfectly to create something meaningful. It's like building with Legos. But instead of plastic bricks, we're using letters. Each letter has its own unique sound, and when combined, they create a symphony of words. Remember our friend GKG? This consonant is the cornerstone of many words. Let's combine it with a to get GA, ga. Easy, right? It's like the first step in a dance. Simple yet essential. It's like saying ga as in gaga over how cute those Korean idols are. You can almost hear the excitement in the word itself. Now let's try N with EO, This combination is another step in our journey of learning. This gives us Neo, which means you. It's a simple yet powerful word, connecting us to others. So next time you want to impress your Korean friends, just point at them and say, Neo. It's a fun way to show off your new skills. And finally, let's combine DD with OO to get do. This combination is like the cherry on top of our learning session. It means to or also. A versatile word that can be used in many contexts. So when someone says they love BTS, you can say do. It's a great way to join in the conversation because who doesn't love BTS? It's a universal sentiment that brings people together. Section 5. Time out. Let's recap before our brains explode. Okay, that was a lot of information, I know. Let's take a breather and recap what we've learned. We met the cool kids on the block, the consonants G, N, and D. We also hung out with the vowels A, E, O, and O, then we learned how to combine them to make awesome syllables like gay, neo, and do. See? I told you it wouldn't be that bad. You're practically fluent in Korean already. Section 6. Pop quiz time. Don't worry, it's not graded. Alright, time to put your newfound knowledge to the test. Don't worry, it's not a real test. I'm not even wearing pants right now. This is just a fun way to see how much you've learned so far. So relax, grab a snack, and let's dive in. See if you can match the following Korean syllables with their English pronunciations. 1. Day, a do. 2. Na bi da. 3. Do si na. Take your time and think about each one carefully. Remember, this is all about having fun and reinforcing what you've learned. If you answered B, C, and A, then congratulations. You're well on your way to becoming a Hangul master. Give yourself a pat on the back, you deserve it. Keep practicing, and you'll be reading and writing Korean in no time. That's it for today's lesson. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic language adventures. Your support helps us create more fun and educational content just for you. And remember, learning a new language should be fun, so go out there, practice your Korean, and impress your friends with your mad language skills. Peace out, keep smiling, and keep learning. Until next time, 안녕히 계세요, 안녕히 계세요.